Hello, are you converting an area of turf to granite? Or maybe you're just putting granite down in an area that has a lot of weeds now and you don't want a big weed issue in the future? What we recommend at AMS Landscaping is using a fabric, a weed barrier fabric. I'm here at Lowe's and they have a few different brands here, different levels of quality. Make sure you get something that's lifetime. Like this one here is only a 15-year life warranty for this one, and they have 30-year and lifetime down here at the bottom. Highly recommend getting a quality fabric down. Now, fabric is better than plastic. Years ago here in the Phoenix area, they used to put down plastic. Now, plastic doesn't allow the ground to breathe. When you put the ground in on top, the roots of all landscape needs air as much as it needs water. So preventing air to get through the barrier is a problem, and that's why we're landscapers in general this is really the only product that's really made as a weed barrier now, and we highly recommend using it if you're converting areas from turf into granite areas so that you don't have weeds in the future. Now, there's also products like pre-emergent that will prevent weeds from growing, but if you have roots in the ground, it's best to put down some sort of weed barrier. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us online at azlawns.com. Also, subscribe to our YouTube page and our Facebook page at AMS Landscaping, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.